Welcome to English Story 2 Day. Don't forget like and subscribe.
My name is Lena. I am 28 years old. I live in a small coastal town called Maple Bay in Oregon. It's a quiet place by the sea. The air always smells like salt and pine trees. Life here feels calm and slow, just the way I like it. I work at a little art studio near the shore. I teach kids and adults how to paint. People say I am gentle and patient. Maybe that's true. I love simple things. Hot tea in the morning, soft music in the evening, and long walks by the ocean when the sun is rising. I have a best friend named Maya. She is the same age as me, but so different. Maya is fire. She is always laughing, talking, moving. She loves loud music, crowded places, big parties that go on all night. She drags me to those parties sometimes. I go, but I always stand in the corner, watching her dance like she owns the world. Maya and I have been friends since high school. She was my person, the one I told all my secrets to, the one who knew when I was sad just by looking at me. We were so close I thought nothing could break us. She called me her sister. I believed her. One warm August evening, I met a man named Ethan. He was 31. He was tall, calm, with kind eyes and a deep voice that made everything feel safe. He worked as a photographer, traveling to small towns and wild places. We met at the local art festival. I was showing my paintings under a small white tent. He stood there for a long time, just watching me paint. Then he said, "Your art feels like home." Just 5 words, but they stayed in my heart. That night we talked until the stars came out. Then we talked every day. He brought me coffee just the way I liked it, black with a little honey. He listened when I spoke. He looked at me like I was someone special. He held my hand gently, like it meant everything. One night, under a sky full of stars, he kissed me and said, "You are my calm in this loud world." I believed him. I fell in love so deeply, so completely that I forgot how to be careful. I thought he loved me too. For a year, it was beautiful. We were happy, or I thought we were. But slowly, I felt him drift. He started talking about leaving Maple Bay. He wanted the city, the lights, the noise. I wanted my quiet seaside town. We argued. Not loudly, but the silence after was worse. His eyes stopped shining for me. His touch felt cold. One evening, he sat next to me on my porch. He looked down at his hands and said, "Lena, I can't do this anymore." Then he walked away. Just like that, I watched him go until he was gone. That night, I cried until I could not breathe. Maya was there. She brought me tea. She held my hand while I fell apart. She said, "He didn't deserve you. You'll heal, I promise." I believed her because I trusted her more than anyone. I never knew the real pain was still waiting. 3 months later, Maya came to my house. She was glowing, smiling like she had a secret. I thought she had good news. Maybe a new job, a new dream. But she sat down, looked at me and said, "I have to tell you something. I'm in love." I smiled. "Who's the lucky guy?" I asked. She looked down, then up. "It's Ethan." I laughed. I thought it was a bad joke, but she didn't laugh. She just kept looking at me. My heart froze. "Ethan? My Ethan?" I whispered. She nodded slowly. "We didn't mean for it to happen. It just did." I couldn't speak. I felt like the walls were falling in. She was my best friend. She was my sister in every way but blood. And she took the man who broke me. That night, I didn't sleep. My mind kept replaying her words. The next day, I found messages on her phone. Old messages from Ethan. They talked about me like I was a problem to solve. "Don't worry," one text said. "She'll be fine." Another said, "I want you, not her." My hands shook. My tears fell on the screen. Maya didn't just fall in love. She betrayed me while pretending to hold me together. I didn't scream at her. I didn't cry in front of her. I packed a bag and went to my mom's house by the forest. I didn't answer her calls. For a month, I painted in silence. I walked by the ocean and let the wind carry my hurt away. One rainy evening, she knocked on my door. I opened it. She looked so small, so broken. "He left me," she whispered. I said nothing. She cried in front of me like I had cried in front of her. She said, "I understand now. I wanted to be you. The calm one. The one people trust. The one people love. When I took him, I thought I would feel like you. But I lost myself instead." I didn't hug her. I didn't slam the door either. I just let her sit there. We sat in silence until the rain stopped. Time passed. I picked up my paintbrush again. I made tea every morning. I listened to soft music at night. I watched the ocean and felt peace return. Maya didn't just steal my love. She tried to steal my peace, my quiet, my gentle heart. But I found her again, the quiet girl who loves simple things. She is me. Sometimes the people we trust the most hurt us the deepest. But sometimes that pain brings us back to ourselves. If this story touched your heart, please share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever been hurt by someone you called family? How did you heal? Thank you for listening.